Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is basically how you would color code your entries here. Okay, so and I've given you sort of a legend up here for this one. See up here for this one, once off. So you need to begin by highlighting your data here, and then you come up here to Home and say Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and I'm going to say equal to once off. And then I'm going from the drop down, choose Customize Format. I go to Fill, and I'm just going to choose this light one here. I think I might just need a slightly lighter color. So I'm just going to choose no, I'll just go with this one and then click OK. Okay, and then click OK. And then what I could do is I could come up here, click on this one, use my Format Painter, and then copy it across to this one. So click on this one, go to my Format Painter up here, and then literally click on this cell here, copies it. I then highlight this again, come up here to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules. I want to say equal to, and I'm going to choose Overdue. And I'm just going to leave it on the light red fill with dark red text. And then I click OK. There we go, that's fine. I'm now going to do the next one. So again, same thing again. Just go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, equal to, and I'm going to say this one here, due for renewal. Go to my little drop down over here, and then I go to Customize Format, and I'm just going to go with the blue that they have here, blue. And click OK, and then click OK. And the last one I'm going to do is, again, you can see a pattern emerging here, people. Just go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, equal to, I choose this green, and from the drop down I just choose this one. And if you're doing conditional formatting, if you can kind of stick with the knitting, stick with the regular ones, it goes a lot way. And then click OK. All right. So then straight away I've got all my data nicely color coded here and ready to go. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.